In this video, I wanna explain how to cook Desugar rice. First, you need to wash brown rice well, and then you need to soak in the water for 1 hour and drain the water because the water includes starch from the brown rice. And then you can steam rice like this, put some water here, and you can put lemon or lime if you want flavored rice, and steam. And this is cooked brown rice like this, and taste doesn't change much, but it's also lighter and easier to digest. So I recommend this way for diabetes people or who wanna eat a little bit healthier rice with less carbohydrate and less toxin from rice, like the remained pesticide. Thank you for watching.